Good morning to one and all. I'm going to discuss with you advanced questions in the concept 1.2. In that first question we have, if a rational number expressed in a decimal form, then the decimal is. We know that the rational number has the decimal expansion in two ways, in two methods. One is decimal, one is terminating decimal, another one is non-terminating repeating decimal. In that first question we have, we have the two options. One is non-terminating repeating and terminating. Option 1 and option 2 are correct options. For 11th question, option 1 and option 2 are correct options. Next, 12th question we have, which among the following is not irrational number among the following is. Okay, so in the given four options, what is not a irrational number? See, first option we have cubed root of 2 and cubed root of into cubed root 32 they given. So cubed root 2 we can write as 2 power 1 by 3 and this we can write as 32 power 1 by 3. Yes, so when we are multiplying same power number, we can multiply the bases also. 2 into 32 whole power 1 by 3. Yes, so 2 into 32 64. 64 whole power 1 by 3. 64 we can write 4 power 3 whole power 1 by 3. 3 cancel, which is equal to 4. Is 4 is irrational? No, it is a rational number. Next, second option we have root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. So this nothing in the denominator is 1. So into root 2, 2 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 whole power 2. So we have the same denominator. We can add the numerators. 2 plus 1 how much? 3. So 3 by root 2 whole square. So which is equal to 3 by root 2 whole square is nothing but so 9 by 2. 9 by 2. 3 square is 9. Root 2 whole square is 2. So 9 by 2 is also a rational number. Third option we have root 2 into root 6. So this is a irrational number. Yes. So we cannot simplify it furtherly. If you send this root inside, it becomes root of 2. If you send in the root 4. 4 into 6. That is nothing here power 2, here power 2. So we can multiply 2 into 2, 4. 4th root 24. This is the irrational number. Yes, we cannot express in the p by q form. Next, option 4. This is the irrational number. And option 4, we have root 3 plus root 4 into root 5 plus root 6. So we know that is a plus b into c plus d. So different numbers. So this we can write first root 3 into root 5 plus root 6 and root 4 into, in the algebraic expressions we multiply. Yes, likewise. So root 3 into this polynomial, root 4 into this polynomial. So root 4 into root 5 plus root 6. So root 3 into root 5 plus into plus root 3 into root 6 plus root 4 into root 5 plus root 4 into root 6. This we can write as root 15 plus root 18 plus root 20 plus root 24. So these are different irrational numbers we have. The sum of all these four irrational numbers, we will get an irrational number. So here, which are not a irrational number they are asking, then option 1 and 2. Option 1 and 2 are the correct options for the second question. Okay. Next, 13th question. Which of the following is irrational number? So 13th question. So we know that is option 1, pi is irrational number and e is also irrational number. Generally we will say pi equal to 22 by 7. That value is approximately equal to 22 by 7, not equal to exactly 22 by 7. So that here pi is the irrational number and e is also irrational number. E value, you know, in the chemistry you will know. You know that. And now I am going to discuss with you 14th question. So that is, which of the following decimal is terminating decimal expansion? 14th question, which of the following is expressed as terminating decimal? So we know that is by seeing the denominator, and how can we decide if it is a terminating or non-terminating? Is there any cancellation for numerator and denominator? No. So can we write 4 as 2 squared? Yes. So it is in the power of 2. So 4 we can write as 2 squared denominator. So if the denominator is only in the power of 2, it is a terminating. Yes, it is a terminating. And 22 by 5. So denominator, is any cancellation? No. Check the denominator. Denominator 5 power 1. It is only in the power of 5 or power of 2 or both. Is there means it is a terminating. So it is a terminating. This is also 5 power 1. So 20 by 3. So denominator in the power of, not in the power of 2 or not in the power of 5 or not in the power of these 2 and 5. So here 3 we have. It is not a terminating. It is non-terminating and repeating. Next 5 by 2. So 2 power 1. So 15 by 2. Sorry, 15 by 2 means, so 2 we can write as 2 power 1. So is there no cancellation for numerator and denominator? So we 2 power 1. So it is in the power of 2. So it is also terminating. Okay, which of the options are correct? 1, 3, 4. So first one, second one, fourth one is the correct options. Next, when you are coming to the 15th question, which of the following is expressed as repeating decimal? Non-terminating and repeating decimal we need to find here. So here denominator we have, is there any cancellation for numerator and denominator? 20 by 3. So no cancellation. 3 is there. So it is non-terminating and repeating. Yes, non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. 25 by 4. General here only, sorry. 25 by 4 means, so here there is no cancellation. 4 we can write as 2 power 2. So it is a terminating. It is not required. 10 by 6. Is there any cancellation? Yes. 2 5s are 2 3s are. So 5 by 3. So denominator 3 we have. In the power of 3 we have. It is non-terminating and repeating decimal expansion. Here is there any cancellation? No. So 9 we can write as 3 square. So it is also non-terminating and repeating. So what are the required options? 1, 3, 4 are the required correct options. Next, 16th question. There are infinitely many irrational numbers between two rational numbers. Yes. So suppose if you take 2 and 3, we can write many irrational values between them. Okay. See, these 2 we can write as root 4. These 3 we can write as root 9. Yes, these 2 are rationals. Between them we can write root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8. Like that we can write many irrational numbers between any two irrational numbers. Okay. And the assertion is true. Reason, the set of irrational numbers dense everywhere. Yes. So reason also correct. So statement, assertion is true and reason is true. So option 1 is the correct option for that. Next, second one, 17th question. Statement 1. Statement 1. The product of one rational number and one irrational number is always irrational. Yes. So 7 into root 2. Always 7 root 2. 7 root 2 is the irrational. The product of a rational and irrational always a irrational number. That is true. And 2005 into root 2002 equal to 2005 into root 2002 into root 10 into 10 equal to 10 root 2 they given. Okay, see here. 205 into root 2002 equal to 2005 into root 2002 into root 10 into 10. So this is not equal will come. So this is statement 2 is false. So only statement 1 is true. Only statement 1 is true will come. Next. Now I am going to discuss with you 18th question. So here column 1 they given. So the column 1 relative answers in the column 2 here. So here which type of decimal expansion it has? It is so on. Okay. So 1.2317309725023 so on they given. So it is, there is no particular digits are repeating here. So it is non-terminating and not repeating. Yes. So non-terminating and not repeating. Yes. Which is the correct option we have? Option 5. So if it is a non-terminating and not repeating, it is a rational number as well. It is a irrational number as well as non-terminating and not repeating decimal. So option 2 and option for this option 2 and option 5 A. and root 97 is the irrational number. Yes, so it is second option, irrational number. And minus 9 by 81, so 9 nines are 9, 1 by 9, so that is minus root 1 by 9 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is a, it is, when you are writing in the decimal expansion, it is a rational number will come. 1 by 3 is a rational, yes. And when you are coming to the, if you say the decimal expansion, non-terminating and not repeating will come. 0.333 will come. So it is a first option and third option. Next, 0.001, this we can write as 1 by 1000. So 1 by 1000, 3 zeros, yes. 1 by 10,000, this we can write as 1 by 100 whole squared. So root we have, so square root cancel, which is equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is nothing but a 0.01. It is a rational number as well as terminating decimal. 194th option. So which is the correct option, you can check. First one, A, second option and fifth option. B, second option and fifth option. Second option, irrational number. It is a irrational number, and every irrational number, the decimal expansion is non-terminating and not repeating. Fifth one also. Next, C, first option. C, first option and third option. And D, first option and fourth option. Yes, so A is the correct option for this. Next, 19th question. Okay, so period of 2.019 bar. So here under the bar, what is the number we have? 19. 19 is the period. So answer we have 19. Next, question number 20. Periodicity of 12.05 0259 bar. So here periodicity equal to how many digits are there under the bar? We have 3 digits. So periodicity is 3. So in this video I discussed with you advanced questions completely. Okay, watch the videos and share to your friends. Subscribe the channel. Thank you, children.